O Vice President Kariu M. Venkaya Naidu hakasau terik Risau ulabo yu mau nong rem banchna penhe ke Surakba National Highway Basaupo na Shillong Shadauki. Hagajingelang kabalalong hak State Convention Center Shillong hakabalayun lang Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulat Kejelau Satyapal Malik usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau Ba Preston Tensong kihe jong ke NHIDCL bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakiran kumukongsan UM Venkaya Naidu ulong pada kejingshnaik ke Surok. Ukermen scam bakan ajing mentoi kipat bak Thain Shatei Mihngi bat kene Surok kanirap hakaban Kyntiew ya kikam jengok kai perthai bat kiwe-kiwe kikam penroi hak jela. Ulong bakum balai hajar praspa sanpau kilometer ke Sorkar ke Lembuk Thong bat hajar praspa katsan kilometer lalak ban pendep lengbak SARDPNE bat naga Bharat Mala Pariyojana Lembuk Thong hajar sispa kat pra kilometer. Bat do mentala lak ban pendep san sepakat 1 kilometer. Bat ula penpawi ke jingkemen ba ketenat road transport and highways kala penyesok ke jela daga basnai ke Surok ke bahaya. Ha gawai pat kaliang Vice President ulong baban Kyntiew ke Thain Shatei Mihngi Donkam ya ka Shongsuk Chongsan bat udap daga jing sngok men bagi kenhun king atiar kala sedang ban poino skabakut. Ulong badan kam ban pendu ikikam kai klau. Bat di bandon ke jingnya keren bat ki bat ban pet bagi di ban aitino ya laki tiar ya le bat ban penia so no hakakam Shongsuk. Ulong baki kam penroi ke pulih putih kelab yo kam yo ajam kakot kakya kilenti gisentian bat kiwe-kiwe ilong ke bakong san bha ya kipat bak Thain Shatei Mihngi. Hendai namar ke jing tiang ya ki ketang suloi namar ki kam kai klau bat kiwe-kiwe kala penthut iki.
It gives me immense pleasure to visit this magical land of Meghalaya on my tour of the Northeast, endured with a spectacular natural beauty and a rich cultural diversity. Meghalaya has always played a key role in our national development. My warm greetings to the people of the state on this occasion. My dear sisters and brothers, this project to upgrade the highway is really a prestigious project and an important initiative of the Government of India. And this being executed, as was explained, with assistance from Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA. It is expected to provide better connectivity in the region and provide a key link within the Northeast region as well as with our friendly neighbor, Bangladesh. This road will also give a fillip to the tourism industry in the state and help in the overall development of Meghalaya. It is connecting to Chittagong port, making it easy to travel, will definitely increase trade and commerce manyfold. There is a need to fast track all these developmental activities in the Northeast. Northeast states are very dear to the people of the country. The Prime Minister wants to fast forward the development. And he has given a 3-line mantra: reform, perform and transform. Transformation of the nation, transformation of the lives of the people. That is at the top agenda of the Prime Minister. Taking clue from the Prime Minister, the Road Transport Minister is really doing a great job. Development is incomplete without the development of Northeast. It is important to ensure that the benefits reach the targeted beneficiaries through an effective delivery mechanism. Digital technology can be a force multiplier in direct and timely transfer of the benefits. Reaching out the people. Delivery mechanism. They are very important along with connectivity.